The world and the planet is facing an environmental pollution caused by plastics. That's why Norwegians have set up a project whereby plastic can be used to build homes, that is to say, making houses from plastics. Right here in Nigeria, I have decided to change the face of paving stones, also known as the interlocking stone. This paving stone is made up of 70% of plastics and 30% of other chemicals. It is locally made with a hand mold, of which the machine will do better and smoother. In strength, it is very strong and harder than our normal paving stones. Durability, it can last for years. Weather doesn't affect it. Rather, it will resist growing weeds in between the interlocks. The weight is half the weight of the normal interlocking. It is not heavy, rather it is strong enough to carry a full load of caterpillar or any truck. Talking about beauty, it is very beautiful, very colorful, and you can get it in any color of your desire. Unlike the normal paving stone, it is malleable in the sense that you can crest your name or any sign you want in the plastic paving stone. The materials for making these plastic paving stones are very cheap. You can get it anywhere in the local market. Join me, let's turn waste into wealth. Let's kick out plastics from our roads. For sponsorship and production, you can contact me on 080 3350 9023 or 081 5594 0886.